Nigga, my dog is fat. Want some burnt toast. You know what I'm saying? Tell me. What's that? Want some burnt toast, nigga? Look at all that butter. What's that? Nigga. Nigga, Ed would kill for this, and you sitting there barking. The fuck is that? Nigga, you confused? Watch it go ham on this one. I throw a little piece, y'all. Watch. Hey. Oh my goodness. Get it. Get it. Come on. Come on, ham. Hey. Well, this is a cookie. Where'd it go, Nick? Oh, you fucking cheater monkey. I just gave you a fucking bath. Damn it, dude. Hey. What's that? Wanna go ham? Man, fucking chew it, fat bitch.